Hello, welcome to Aspire and Achieve Marathi series. Today we are going to read a lesson from Sulabha Bharati for grade 3. In the last two sessions, we read lesson number 1, that was a poem, and then we did a lesson about Kolha and Sneha. And today we are going to do the lesson number 3. Now, what is lesson number 3? Is about a girl, how she makes friends with other children. Hmm? The name of the lesson is Apan Sare Khelu. Let's go to the lesson. आपण सारे खेळू. आपण means we all. सारे is again we all. खेळू means we all will play together. Now let's see what happens in this lesson. By the picture, you can see that there are many children playing here with a ball, and there is one girl who's just sitting on the steps, and there is some crutches next to her. Crutches are those things that people who cannot walk properly they use as a support. So that girl is sitting there and just watching these children play. So let's see what happens. अंगणात मुले चेंडू खेळत होती. अंगणात means front, the front yard, the place in front of the house, that is called angan. Mule is children. Chendu means ball. So children were playing in the front yard with the ball. रोजी एकटीच बसून खेळ बघत होती. Now this girl's name is Rosie and she's sitting alone, एकटीच. Basoon is to sit. So she was just sitting there and watching them play. रोजीची आई अंगणात आली. Now this lady is Rosie's mother. She comes out of the house into the front yard and she sees that her daughter is sitting alone and the other children are playing. So what is she doing? ती म्हणाली, रोजीला खेळायला घ्या ना. ती एकटीच बसून आहे. So there she's telling the other children, invite Rosie also to play with you. She's sitting there alone. एक मुलगी म्हणाली, तिच्या बरोबर कसं खेळायचं? तिला नीट चालता येत नाही. So one of the girls is saying, Auntie, we want to play with her, but how do we play? She cannot walk properly. So how will she play ball, kick the ball with us? Hmm? तिला नीट चालता येत नाही. She cannot walk properly. Neat is properly. Hmm? हे ऐकून रोजीच्या आईला वाईट वाटले. Now hearing this, Rosie's mother became really sad. But she can't do anything about it, right? Because the children cannot play with them and Rosie cannot kick the ball with them. So she feels sad and she goes inside. ती घरात परत गेली. परत means back, go back. So she went back into the house. Now what happens? Rosie कधी खेळाकडे तर कधी कधी इकडे तिकडे बघू लागली. So Rosie is just sitting there watching those children play. Sometimes she would watch the game and sometimes she would just see here and there, इकडे तिकडे. हम्म. एक कुत्र्याचे पिल्लू अचानक रोजीकडे आले. Now the spelling of pillu here is given this typo error here. It should be p, e की मात्रा, half ल, then full ल and u की मात्रा. Pillu, not पिल्लू. सो एक कुत्राचे पिल्लू अचानक रोजीकडे आले. अचानक means suddenly. कुत्रा, dog. So there is one, suddenly a little puppy comes to Rosie. रोजीने पिल्लाकडे पाहिले. अय्या, किती गोंडस पिल्लू आहे. So Rosie gets very excited. You know how you children get excited looking at small dogs or cats, puppies and little cats. So Rosie also gets very excited. Hmm? And she says, "Oh wow, Ayya, किती गोंडस पिल्लू आहे." Gondas means like chubby and go, fat and chubby like that. and very cute. So she says, "You are such a cute little puppy." तिने आईला हाक मारली. हाक मारली to call. So she calls to her mother. आई, लवकर बाहेर ये ना. तिचं, आई, ममा, come out soon. बाहेर, come out soon. हम्म? आई बाहेर आली. So her mom comes running outside. पिल्लाला पाहिले. She sees this little nice chubby chubby looking पिल्लू. त्याला कुरवाळले. कुरवाळले means to pet. When you pet an animal, you know how you run your hand on its head or on the body. That is called कुरवाळणे. To pet the animal. आई, आपण हे पिल्लू आपल्याकडेच ठेवूया. रोजी म्हणाली. So Rosie says, आई, let's keep this pillow with us in our house. आपल्याकडे with us. हम्म? ठेवूया to keep. रोजी पिल्लू रोजी पिल्लू खरंच खूप गोंडस आहे. ते आपल्याकडे ठेवू. So her mom says, yes, Rosie, the pillow is really very cute and chubby. Let's keep it with us. ते तुझ्या बरोबर खेळेल. तू पिल्लाकडे लक्ष ठेव. So she says, yeah, you will have somebody to play with. The pillow will play with you. So you take care of the pillow. तू त्याला रोज खाऊ पिऊ घाल. Means every day you give him something to eat and drink. खाऊ पिऊ to feed. So you every day you give him something to eat and everything, and then you take care of him and he will play with you. म्हणजे त्याला तुझा लळा लागेल. So she's saying when you take care of the uh, puppy, the pillow will get attached to you. लळा लागणे means to get attached to. मी तुला मदत करेन. So her mom says, I will also help you. मदत, help. So I'll also help you to take care of the pillow. आई म्हणाली. So let me read this whole thing once again. रोजी, पिल्लू खरंच खूप गोंडस आहे. ते आपल्याकडे ठेवू. ते तुझ्या बरोबर खेळेल. तू पिल्लाकडे लक्ष ठेव. तू त्याला रोज खाऊ पिऊ घाल. म्हणजे त्याला तुझा लळा लागेल. मी तुला मदत करेन. आई म्हणाली. So now what happens? Now the twist. मुलांचा खेळ संपला. So after that, you see the staircase, the steps. Rosie is not there. She goes inside with the pillow into the house. And these kids, those who are playing with the chendu, are done with the game. Now what happens? मुलांचा खेळ संपला. संपला means ended or finished. ती आपसात बोलू लागली. So they were just after your game, you don't just straight away go home, right? You just talk to your friends and just chit chat for some time. So that's what they were doing. तेवढ्यात रोजीच्या घरातून कुत्र्याचा भुंकण्याचा आवाज आला. भुंकणं means to bark. You know how a dog barks? That sound is called भुंकणं. So तेवढ्यात means just as they were talking, as they were chit-chatting, they could hear the pillu bark from inside Rosie's house. मुलगा म्हणाला, चला, आपण रोजीकडे जाऊ. तिच्या घरी कुत्र्याचं पिल्लू आहे. ते आपण पाहू. So one of the boys says, come, let's go to Rosie's house. There is a little puppy there. कुत्र्याचं पिल्लू there. We will see that पिल्लू. एक मुलगी रोजीला म्हणाली, किती छान पिल्लू आहे. हे कुठून आणलंस? So one of the girls, when all the children go inside Rosie's house. You see Rosie is sitting here and her crutches are kept there and all the children are here observing the pillow. And one of the girls asked Rosie, see this pillow is really nice. Chan means nice and good. Hmm? Where did you get it? कुठून आणलंस? अगं, आणलं नाही. आलंय असंच. रोजी म्हणाली. So Rosie says, no, I didn't buy it. I didn't get it from anywhere. It just came on its own to my house. हे बघ, तुझ्या पिल्लासाठी आम्ही खाऊ आणलं. So these children, they say, see, we have got some eatables from snacks for your pillu. आता आम्ही रोज तुझ्याकडे येत जाऊ. So now we will come every day to your house. Rose every day. पिल्लाशी आणि तुझ्याशी खेळायला. So every day we will come to your house and we will all play together with the pillu. We will play with you also. एक मुलगी म्हणाली. रोजीला आनंद झाला. So one of these girls said this. हे बघ, तुझ्या पिल्लासाठी आम्ही खाऊ आणलंय. आता आम्ही रोज तुझ्याकडे येत जाऊ. पिल्लाशी आणि तुझ्याशी खेळायला. एक मुलगी म्हणाली. रोजीला आनंद झाला. So here, this is what Rosie wanted, right? She wanted to play with the other children. So now they are offering to come to her house and play with her and her little pill. बरं झालं रोजी. या पिल्लामुळे तुला सगळ्यांबरोबर खेळायला मिळेल, आई म्हणाली. So her mother says, see, it's really nice. बरं झालं. No? One thing nice that's happened is the pillow came to you. Now you can play with all these people together, with all the other children. You can play with the pillow. And everybody's happy. That's the end of the story. Thank you very much. See you.